Bingx, a cryptocurrency trading platform, has garnered attention for its spot, derivatives, and copy trading services. Founded in 2018, it now operates in over 100 countries. Let's delve into an in-depth review of Bingx to understand its features and offerings. 1. Spot trading. Bingx allows you to trade popular digital assets in real time directly from your browser. Spot trading involves buying or selling crypto with the aim of making a profit. 2. Copy trading platform. Bingx places a heavy emphasis on social trading. It offers extensive copy trading features, allowing you to mirror the trades of expert traders. This feature is particularly beneficial for new traders who want to learn from experienced investors. 3. User support features. Beginner's Guide, a comprehensive tutorial covering the fundamentals of using the platform and trading crypto. Help Center, a resource where you can find answers to common questions related to password changes, verification, and more. Bingx Verify, a highlight of the exchange. This feature lets you verify whether a domain name, Telegram ID, or email address belongs to a legitimate Bingx representative. It helps prevent scams and protects your data. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Copy trading platform available. Demo account available. High leverage for certain assets. Well-integrated platforms. Cons. No US investors permitted. 5. Recommended audience. Bingx is suitable for cryptocurrency traders of all experience levels, but it is especially welcoming for new traders and those interested in copy trading. Its user-friendly features and support resources make it an accessible platform. Bingx appears to be a well-regulated and feature-rich cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a range of trading options, including the unique copy trading functionality. The platform's focus on social trading and community engagement can also be appealing to certain traders. As with any investment decision, it's crucial for users to thoroughly research and understand the platform's features, risks, and limitations before committing their funds. By using the referral code 911 during registration, users can potentially unlock additional benefits and incentives. Remember to exercise due diligence and research further before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and it's essential to stay informed and cautious when trading on any platform.